Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Blanca. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything I got from Temu. I have been seeing so many videos going around, girls hauling things they have purchased from Temu, and at first they didn't ship to Canada, but now they do. So Temu is pretty much like Amazon, but way cheaper. And you can find pretty much anything you want on there. I couldn't believe how affordable everything was, and I also got everything for 30% off. So if you download the app or you just go on there, you're a new user, you will get 30% off. They have discount codes everywhere. I'll try to find one for you guys and I will leave it in my description box. But yeah, it comes in this big orange package like this. Everything was nicely packaged. I was honestly super impressed. I got all of this for I think like $70. It was so inexpensive. And I'm so impressed that I placed another order early this morning. I was half asleep. I don't really remember what I ordered. I think I got more makeup and some organizational thing. Yeah, for all my perfumes and my Bath and Body Works stuff. Yeah, so if you want to see what I got from Temu, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and hit that like button as well, because it really does help my channel out. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this haul. Okay, so I ended up buying like just a bunch of random things because I was so curious to see what the quality was. And so yeah, I just picked a bunch of stuff and I ended up getting these powder puff thingies that all the girls are using on TikTok. I forget how much I got them for, but I will include a price right here, and I will also include the links in case you're interested in any of these items. So this pack comes with 6 of these and they're so soft. So you're supposed to use loose setting powder and just set right underneath your eye, and since it's like a triangle shape, it's supposed to really get in there and blend your powder in really nicely. So I can't wait to try these out. So I ended up picking up 3 palettes. So the first one is this one. It's called Aromas You Can Be. I think right now this one is on sale for $9 something. It's cheaper than what I got it for. But look at the color story in here, you guys. And it comes with a mirror. And then look at the shadows. Isn't this gorgeous? I cannot wait to play with this one. It's so pretty. I don't know if they perform nicely. I have no idea. I haven't tried it yet, but I have just been admiring it and staring at it. I haven't used it because I wanted to haul it first. But yeah, this is so gorgeous. I will definitely do a tutorial and create a look with it. I will film it so that you guys could see how well their palettes perform. I also picked up another eyeshadow palette. This one is called Lucky Me, just looks like that. And this one has 25 eyeshadows in it. And when you open it up, it says, "Turn your face to the sunshine, that there will be no shadow. Co.Lucky." Okay, so it just looks like this, and it comes with this brush that nobody ever uses. And this is what these shadows look like in here. Again, very beautiful. I have not played with this one. Now the pan size of the colors are very small, but I don't mind because it takes me a while to even use up an entire eyeshadow palette. I'm very surprised that the palettes did not come shattered or anything like that. They did wrap them up really nicely. They came in bubble wrap. So I love how they take the time to just wrap everything in bubble wrap. Now this palette I actually have on my eyes today, and this one is by a company called Gekomo Chocolate Eyeshadow, and it's got 9 shadows in here. Let me open this up so I could show you guys what it looks like. This is also a very pretty palette. So it just looks like that. As you can see, I have dipped into it already. It's very pretty. The only shade that I'm not a fan of is this one right here. I wish it was a little darker. No matter how much I try to darken up my outer V, I cannot get it as dark as I want. So I did have to go in with another palette to darken up my outer corner. But besides that one, I love all of the other shades. They're so pretty and there's barely any fallout and they are just so smooth. Let me swatch this for you guys. Just so smooth and very pretty. I really like this one, and it's so small and convenient for traveling. If you just, are going away for the weekend or whatever, it doesn't take up much space and you can just throw it in your makeup bag. So I'm happy with this eyeshadow palette and I think it looks really pretty on my eyes today. It's nice and glittery. I also picked up this lip contour kit, ultra matte liquid lipstick and lip liner, and this one is in the shade 01. And it comes with a liquid lipstick, which I'm wearing today, and it also comes with a lip liner. I did apply gloss and I mixed it with another nude liquid lipstick. This is what the lip liner looks like. It's a retractable lip liner, so you don't have to worry about sharpening it. And then the liquid lipstick, I'll just swatch it. Wait, let me smell it. It smells like, I don't know, like a popsicle? Freezy? Okay, so that's what the lipstick looks like. I can't stand when lipsticks smell disgusting, and this one does not, so happy about that. And it's a very pretty color. So that's the liquid lip, and then that's the liner. They have different shades, so if you're not into the nude shade, you can definitely get another one. Okay, so I picked up this eyebrow pomade in the number 3, and this is by, it doesn't say. And I did use this on my eyebrows yesterday and today. I do find that it is a little bit, not dry, but just you have to really dip your brush in there. But I also like it because you have to build it up. It's not like the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade where as soon as you dip it in and you put it on your eyebrow, like it's very intense and it's very easy to mess up or just apply too much. So with this one, I feel it's easier to use and it's harder to mess up, if that makes any sense. So it's not very wet and it's not very dry. It's like the perfect consistency. And I feel like my eyebrows look really good today. So I am really enjoying this one and I definitely recommend this pomade. So that's it for the makeup. And then I just picked up some clothes because I was curious to see how they were. I ended up picking up this long sweater. It's so pretty. It just looks like this. It's so soft. And it's open here at the front, a long sleeve. Let me just throw it on so I could show you guys. It's so cozy and it's perfect. It's like a fuzzy blanket and it's super soft and it's got this design on it here. And as you could see, it's got little furry stuff on it, but it's not itchy at all. I love it. It's perfect. Perfect, perfect. Perfect. I also got a pair of jeans. Now I tried these on the other day and they fit me perfectly on my hips. I think I got a large because they only have like small, medium, large, extra large. So I ended up getting a large because I have hips and a booty But around the waist, it's too big. But the quality is really nice. It kind of just reminds me of like Fashion Nova kind of jeans. And I ended up getting the dark wash. And they just look like that. I like them. You know, just a pair of jeans. I feel like if when I wash them, they will shrink a little bit and I can always just throw on a belt. So I'm excited to wear those. And then, last but not least, I got this shirt. Just a black one. And this kind of feels like Skims. It's like that stretchy, soft kind of material. And I just got it in black. I have a beige one of these. It's the exact same one, but I got it from Shein. I don't know how to say it. And it's pretty much the exact same thing, but this one was cheaper. I think like $3 cheaper. And I like it. And I can't wait to wear it. Alright, so that's it for my Temu haul. Like I said before, I have another order coming in. Hopefully it gets here soon. I know that they have been having issues with shipping. Like a lot of their stuff is delayed, I think because just so many people are ordering from them. So I cannot wait to play with these makeup palettes and do tutorials showing you guys how they perform. So stay tuned for that. This concludes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.